All vaccines have shown an efficacy between 70 to 90%, and WHO recommends that any vaccine with an efficacy of more than 50% can be used for COVID. Since none of these vaccines have an efficacy of 100%, you might still get mild COVID after the vaccination, but what we know is that with any of these vaccines, you will be protected from severe COVID hospitalization or death, and this has been shown in all trials and real-world studies for all the vaccines available. As we have discussed, none of these vaccines have an efficacy of 100%, and hence there are small chances that even after 2 doses, you can get an episode of COVID infection. But what we certainly know is that this episode of COVID will be mild, which may present just as a flu, and you will be protected from severe COVID hospitalization or death. So none of the COVID vaccines that are available, whether it is the Pfizer, Moderna, Covaxin, Covishield, Sputnik, or any other vaccine, contains any live component of the virus, meaning that all of these vaccines have taken different parts of the virus or the entire virus itself, inactivated it, killed it, and then made it into a vaccine. So there is absolutely no chance that you can get a COVID infection because of vaccination. If for any reason you are unable to take your vaccine, there is no need to worry, and you should make arrangements to take your vaccine at the earliest. As we do know with the Covishield vaccine, the vaccine can be given up to 12 weeks from the first dose. So even if you have had COVID, it is very important to take the vaccine, and the Indian guidelines currently recommend that you should take the vaccine 2 to 4 weeks after you have recovered from your episode of COVID. If you have had plasma therapy for your COVID infection, then you must wait for 3 months before you take the second dose of your vaccine. Even if you have had COVID infection, it is extremely important to get vaccinated, and that is because currently we do not know how much does the natural protection because of the infection last, and vaccines are essential to boost this protection even longer. So people with any sort of comorbidities are in fact encouraged to take the vaccination, apart from the fact that if you've had an allergy to any of the known components of the vaccine, if you have an active COVID illness or any other active illness, then you are recommended to not take the vaccine. If you are pregnant or you are lactating or planning to get pregnant within the next 3 months, currently the Covishield and the Covaxin are not recommended. So none of these COVID vaccines have shown any correlation with your menstrual cycle, and hence it is absolutely safe to take it at any time of the menstrual cycle. Furthermore, none of these vaccines have any associations with infertility either. Antibody testing is not recommended either after the first dose or the second dose of COVID vaccination. And even if you have had an episode of COVID infection after your first dose of vaccination, there is no recommendation to repeat your antibody levels. And the reason for that is we do not know the significance of these antibody levels, at what levels are we actually protected from the infection, and more importantly, the way our body provides us immunity against the COVID infection is much more beyond the measurement of these antibody levels. There might be a role for antibody testing in a select population, which includes the immunocompromised population. However, even in this population, the antibody testing should only be done at the discretion of a physician. As we did discuss earlier, there is no role for measurement of antibodies after your second dose, and even if your antibody levels are low, nothing needs to be done at the moment. There might be indications of booster doses of these COVID vaccines in the future. So it is extremely important to vaccinate yourself with whichever vaccine is available to you at the earliest, And this is what going to protect you and your loved ones and is eventually going to cause an end to this pandemic.